Colorful Cute Kids.
Hi friends, welcome to the Colorful Cute Kids channel. Today, we're going to draw and color Peppa Pig runs a Clubhouse Takeaway. First, let's draw Peppa Pig. We'll start with her nose. Then, we'll draw her face, adding to little ears on top of her head. Next, we'll draw her cheek and her smiling mouth. After that, we'll draw her body with a cute dress like this. Don't forget her hands and legs. Right beside Peppa, let's draw her best friend, Susie Sheep. Start with her nose and her adorable face, including to little eyes. Here, I'll draw some boxes for her to hold in her hands. Now, let's draw Susie's body and her fluffy tail at the back. To make our drawing stand out, I'll use this black marker to outline everything. Now it's time to color together. First, I'll use pink and light pink for Susie's nose and her cheeks. Her dress will be pink too, so pretty. For the boxes, I'll use yellow and green for one. Then red and purple for another. The last box will be dark blue, like this. Next, let's color Peppa. I'll use light pink for her skin. For her nose and cheeks, I'll use pink. Her dress will be bright red. Doesn't she look so cute? Now, let's color color this machine, I'll start with dark blue like this. How's your coloring coming along, kids? Are you keeping up? Our drawing is almost finished. You did an amazing job! If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like it and subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video. Goodbye!